Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting unboxing for you. We'll be unveiling the Hikvision DS2CD3321G2E LIU 2MP Dual Light Motion 2.0 Fixed Turret Network Camera. The standout feature of the Hikvision DS2CD3321G2E LIU is its built-in microphone, which allows for real-time audio monitoring and enhances your security capabilities. This feature enables you to listen in on surroundings through the camera, adding an extra layer of security by providing audio evidence along with video footage. For a straightforward installation experience, the package includes all necessary mounting hardware, such as screws, anchors, and a drill template. With the Hikvision DS2CD3321G2E LIU, securing your property is both efficient and user-friendly. This camera boasts several innovative features that significantly enhance its performance. A key highlight is the advanced digital WDR technology, which ensures clear imaging even in challenging lighting conditions. This feature allows the camera to balance bright and dark areas in a scene, making it easier to identify objects and faces regardless of backlighting. In situations with strong backlight, the digital WDR technology optimizes the image quality, maintaining clarity and detail. Coupled with the camera's 2MP resolution, you can expect sharp and vivid images. These advanced functionalities provide unmatched visibility and security, ensuring you have peace of mind day and night. In our upcoming videos, we'll demonstrate how this camera integrates with CCTV systems and smart home automation. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel.